Arrays and lists both store multiple items, but they serve different purposes. Arrays are fixed in size, so once you create one, you cannot add or remove additional items. They are faster and use less memory, which makes them great for performance-critical tasks or when you know exactly how many items you'll have upfront. Lists, on the other hand, are dynamic. You can easily add, remove, or search items, and they come with many helpful built-in methods. They are slightly slower and use more memory because of the flexibility overhead, but they make coding much easier and more productive. In practice, lists are the go-to choice for most applications because the performance difference is usually negligible for typical workloads. Use arrays only when you need maximum speed in performance-critical code or are working with very large datasets where every byte of memory matters or are interfacing with APIs that specifically require arrays.